Hi, welcome all. Welcome to my channel. For doing a Java programming, you need JDK and environment and a software ID software to doing coding. JDK, first you have to install JDK 8 or 11. Most of the people now you using JDK 11. You based on the requirement you can download JDK version and set the environment part. After the downloading JDK, you have to specify the path in environment where you downloaded that and installing the ID software for doing coding like SpringBoot, Eclipse, IntelliJ, lot of software there. How to download JDK? I can show you. I can give the link in description, and also you can search like Google, like download JDK some like that based on your version. It go to the Oracle page, click on that, scroll down. You can see the version and the software, like which software you're using, Mac or Linux. I'm using Windows 64-bit. After that, click on the link exe and agree the agreement license. Then download the exe file. It will redirect to the Oracle page. If you have already not registered now, you can simply log in. If you not now, you can create account. I already logged in. Yeah, downloading. I already downloaded, so I just cancelled. After that, you have to click the exe, then give next. There is no need to require anything change. Give the next, then close. After that, how to set environment path. After you installed, go to the my computer and local disk C and see the Java JDK there, bin and Java and that the folder. You copy that for path and save. Copy the path and you have to open the my computer and properties and click on the advanced settings in control panel. It shows the pop-up like that, system properties. Click on the below that, click on that environment variable. It will show pop-up like this, and click on that this. You have click the new button here and click the path name, like whatever is in it, path or give anything name but related to like path. So I given path, and you have to copy the path location there. Now you have to paste the path location variable value. After that, like this you have to do, like path variable, and you have to then click OK. You also give like the lib variable also, JDK, open JDK also you can give, then OK. After that, click OK. Then you have to check installed or not. Then go to command prompt and type java. This is the command. Then you can show the version of the Java you installed. For installing JDK and software path. After that, you need software and development environment, integrated software development environment. For software, so you need coding and doing everything. SpringBoot, Eclipse, IntelliJ, lot of software there. Based on your requirement, which is comfortable, you can use IDs. I can use SpringBoot. It is the latest, like very comfortable and very easy to use, like user interface. Eclipse also easy to use. How to install ID? I given the link for that. You can watch. Thank you. Start coding.